Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. And today we're going to be talking about the Techfluence top 5 summer gadgets to get your summer started. Now, thanks to Techfluence for sponsoring today's video. So the first product we're going to start with is going to help you out in your pool. Let me introduce you to the Aiper Seagull Pro. This is a quad motor cordless robot water cleaner. This is going to help you keep your pool clean. Now, this has been one of the easiest tech products I've ever had to get set up. There's no app or anything required. All you need to do is charge it up for 90 minutes and it is ready to go. Up here on the top, you have a dial where you can simply choose to clean the floor, clean the wall, or set to auto, where once it's done cleaning the floor and the battery's at about 50%, it will then start to clean the wall. And when it's finished cleaning and has about 10% left, it will hang out on the side of the wall so that you can easily grab it and get it ready to be charged up for next time. Just make sure you keep it in a cool, dry location until the next time you're ready to use it. So let's go ahead, get this turned on, set in, and clean the pool. The Aiper Seagull Pro uses wave path navigation technology, so it can automatically create a path to clean your floor, wall, as well as water line. With the improved battery life system, you can expect about 3 hours of usage on only a 90-minute charge. And then when the Seagull Pro is done cleaning, it will automatically park at the top of the pool so that you can easily grab it and go and charge it. The Seagull Pro offers a quad motor system, so you have a dual draining motor as well as a dual suction motor, so it's able to pump 130 gallons per minute through the device to filter out your pool and get the water clean in no time. To learn more about the Aiper Seagull Pro, you can check out the link in the description below. I think it's time to go get my swimsuit on. But first, I do have a bit of work to get done. And to do that, I'm going to use the help of the Voyager 360 series. Now, this is an awesome set of true wireless earbuds. They easily pair to your phone. Here you can see the case. It has a touchscreen right on the front. You can see how much battery life you have on your device and adjust other settings. You can even scan the QR code right here to learn more. And then it has USB-C on here, as well as it works with wireless charging. So you can keep it topped up pretty much anywhere you go. Now, you have 15 hours of battery life on one charge, and the earbuds easily rest in your ear very comfortably. There are a few different sizes of ear tips that you can use to get the perfect fit. When you place both earbuds in, it will turn on active noise cancellation. So you also have a few other features where you can have pass-through mode on, where you can listen to what's going on around you, as well as listen to your music in here. Now, you also have wind smart technology, so it's automatically going to detect if there is wind and reduce that so that the other caller isn't going to be hearing that. Now, to control your music, it's super simple. All you have is a button on the bottom here that you can press, and then I can adjust the volume just by swiping up and down with that easy to use gesture. There's one other feature that's very interesting, which is a USB Bluetooth adapter. So to get these to work with my computer, all I need to do is plug this in, and then my earbuds will automatically connect to this and I can use them on the PC. These are certified with Microsoft Teams as well as Zoom, so now I'm ready to begin my call. Now, each earbud has 3 different microphones. So that's going to be able to help with the active noise cancellation, so that if you have background noise, you're not going to be hearing that, and then the other end will be able to hear you loud and clear. So whether using the Poly 360 series for work or play, you're going to have excellent sound quality with great bass and a great volume to adjust it to your personal preference. Now, if you have any further questions about the Poly 360 series devices, let me know in the comments below, and you can check out the full details down in the description below. And now it's time to head out on the water. That's right, on the water. And we're going to do that with the GoSun Elcat all-electric boat. This boat is amazing. It's 15 foot long, 8 foot wide, and 6 feet tall. It has a lower deck and a higher deck that could fit about 6 people pretty easily. Now, one other cool thing is it has solar panels. So this is going to be an all-electric boat that is quiet and is able to last for a long time. Now, this thing weighs only slightly more than I do, coming in at 264 pounds, and it's able to package up so that you could fit this in the back of your car and take it wherever you want to go. Now, this catamaran is going to be great for different lakes, rivers, or even in the bay. Now, one thing I love about these all-electric vehicles is how quiet they are. Now, this can travel up to 6 miles per hour with a 1.3 kilowatt electric motor and battery. This also comes with 200 watts of solar power to extend the range. Now the Elcat is super efficient as it is able to glide across the water with the catamaran rails. Now one very important part of this all-electric boat is the cost. Now compared to other boats, you are going to save a ton, coming in around $8,000 to $12,000. Now I'd really love to experience one of these in real life. It looks like it would be the perfect device for a day on the lake. So if you would like to learn more details about the GoSun Elcat, you can check out the link in the description below. Now let's talk about how we can save the memories from these awesome summer trips that we've had so far. Now we've had an awesome day so far and created a ton of memories, and we never want them to end. Really, we never want to lose the photos and videos of all the things we've been able to do this summer. So thanks to the Acronis cybersecurity home office suite of different backup solutions, we can protect all of those files. So if we lose our computer, if it's destroyed or corrupt, we'll have a copy of everything so that we can easily get those back. So here in the Acronis Cyber Protect home office, you have the option to do a full image backup. You can also do an active disk cloning. So if you have different drives, you can automatically have them be stored somewhere else, even while you're using the drive. And you have anti-malware protection. So if you have ever had a virus or something on your computer, it takes forever to get rid of that. And even knowing if it's there is very difficult. So this is going to solve that problem as well. And then you'll be able to access this information anywhere because there is a web-based console to select that cloud-based backup. So starting with the backup, here I can click on my desktop computer. Here we have the option to back up my entire PC, or I can do disks and partitions, or I can do a specific file and folder. And then I have the option to choose the location I want that to go to. Now, since that's under 1 terabyte of data, I can back that right up to the Acronis cloud, or if I have other storage drives on my computer, I can back them up as well. So here I have an external drive, I could back it up to there. I have a NAS, or I could select another backup drive that's available. Pretty great that you have so many options. Now let's head to the protection tab. Here you can check to make sure there's no malware on your computer. That's going to prevent your computer from doing certain things, make it run slower, and just cause problems and maybe even steal your data. So I did run a quick scan today, and here it looks like it did find a few vulnerabilities. Now these are apps that I use. I know they're okay, but I think that's great that it's saying, hey, some of these may not be as secure because they haven't been verified or whatever. So it's nice that you have all of that right here, and then I know where I can uninstall or what I can do to solve the problem. Now under tools, you have a ton of options. Here you can clone a disk, rescue media builder, Acronis Universal Restore, you can do system cleanup, Acronis Secure Zone, and so much more. To see the full details about the Acronis Cyber Protect home office, check out the link in the description below. You can also enter to win a giveaway for a 1-year subscription down there. So now that we have all of our memories backed up, I think it's time to relax and head upstairs. After spending all day under the sun, there's no better way to end a summer day than to sit back, watch a movie with our Enclave Eclipse 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos soundbar with wireless subwoofer. Let me show you more about it. Getting the Eclipse set up is a breeze. All you need to do is plug in the soundbar and then plug in the subwoofer wherever you want to, and they will wirelessly connect together. And then all you need to do is plug in an HDMI cable to the output of the TV and put it on the input of the Eclipse, and then you're ready to go. Make sure your TV settings are set correctly. Now, I love the Dolby Atmos sound that comes out of the soundbar. It has 11 total speakers with 2 up-firing speakers so that it sounds like the sound is coming from all the way around you. So you can take your game consoles or other media streamers and plug them directly into the soundbar, and it will be just like they plugged into the TV. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, as well as HDR10 Plus, so the picture quality is going to look excellent. Now for the 8-inch subwoofer, this is so powerful. I can just see the speaker moving, and the room is definitely shaking when we are watching a movie. Now, one of my favorite features is the custom-tuned EQ presets that you can easily adjust with one button on the remote. As I scroll through these, it's great to hear the difference in the sound. So you have movies, music, news, sports. One of my favorites is the night mode, so that it kind of makes it a little more quiet when I'm playing my games or whatever at night. And I also love the voice EQ because this is able to make it so it's so much easier to hear the voice in movies without making the speaker too loud and waking up the kids when I'm watching a movie at night. The remote has all the features you need. You can adjust the different inputs, play and pause your Bluetooth music. You can increase the bass or treble as well as adjust the sound, change your EQ, surround volume, AV sync, as well as adjusting the vertical sound. And that's the Enclave Eclipse 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos soundbar with subwoofer. Make sure you check out more in the link in the description below. And so those are the Techfluence top 5 summer products to get your summer started. A wide range of products here today, so hopefully you can find something that fits your needs. If you have any further questions about these, please let me know in the comments below, and make sure you check out each of them in the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.